Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our app, you can easily send mail notification after install this app. You can see here our module Dev install app notification. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to emails and see here not send mail. So first go to users and see here these options notify when module installed. First allow this. Let's save. Again go to our apps. Now upgrade this. Again go to emails and see here this send mail notification about this app. Display here app name, version and users. Thank you.